Hey, what is going on, guys? Dylan here with Solo Cuts Landscaping, and thank you for tuning in to another video here on the Solo Cuts Landscaping YouTube channel. I appreciate every single one of you guys that's stopping by and share some time with me here on the channel. Now, today's video, as you can see here, we are doing a leaf cleanup. Now, I had gotten a lot of the property blown over this way, but this is going to be a test of the X-Blades on the Hustler Super Z. We're going to find out how well they do against all these leaves. So guys, stick around, stay tuned, enjoy this video. Let's get to cracking. So like I said, my name is Dylan with Solo Cuts Landscaping. Thank you for hanging out with us today. We are going to be mulching up all these leaves here. Now, I previously said that we are going to be running that X-Blade. Everyone's been talking about the X-Blades and how well they work. We're gonna find out here. If you don't know what the X-Blades are, Ballard is getting these out there, and what it is, it's an adapter fitting to where you can run 2 sets of blades per spindle. What that's supposed to do in theory is increase the amount of chopping, essentially, to the leaves to help mulch them up quicker and get us in and out of these leaf cleanups. Now, we also do have the mulch kit on the mower, so that's gonna help too, because that's gonna, I mean, anything that's in there, it's just gonna keep chopping until it, you know, disperses and is down to basically nothing. These are dry leaves. There's a good amount of leaves here. They're big, just in reference. There, you can see how big they are. So they are big leaves. So this could be a true test. This is going to be to see how well they do and how well they hold up to this. We'll see if the mower bogs down at all with the amount of volume that it's going to be chopping. I don't know. We're going to find out. So guys, I'm going to put the camera up. I don't know if I'm going to do this real time. So that way it'll be just like you guys can truly see what it is, or if we'll speed it up and do a little music to it. And then I can get my thoughts and opinions afterwards. So guys, without further ado, let's get to doing these leaves. so let's see what the leaves look like after we've gone over it a few times. Hopefully the drone got to give you an over-top view so you could see a little more on you know, how much it was clearing out as we were going over the leaves. And I will say, it mulched them up pretty darn good. Now we could have gone over this a few more times, but for just mulching them up, that is pretty darn good. Now ideally at a property, probably what we would do is after we mulch them up pretty good in a particular area, because we would work our way in, we would then throw our Ballard Catch Pro on and then just get a lot of this stuff that's mulched up. If it's too thick, we'll just go ahead and, you know, suck that up, get in the Catch Pro and dump it. Just that way there's not too much build up, because I know too much mulch leaves can actually be problematic. So with the combination of the mulch kit and the X-Blades, I gotta say, they chopped them up pretty good. Now I do think that the true test would be for those wet, heavy leaves that we all hate mulching up. But I think that's where the true test will be. I know this happens sometimes, even just with, you know, regular ones. You know, if you get too much in there, it kind of bogs the mower down, and spinning two blades and it's slowing down, that could bog it to where you actually like stop the blades. So guys, that is my first run here with the Ballard X-Blades. We are going to be running those throughout the season, so be sure to stay tuned for more content in regards to those Ballard blades. If you are interested in those, I will leave a link down in the description below for you to check them out. I don't have a promo code. There's a few guys out there that have promo codes for Ballard where you can save some money. Pick your person, choose your discount code, and roll with it. Ultimately, it's saving you money. So guys, do me a favor, drop a comment down below. Let me know. Do you guys run the Ballard X-Blades? Do you run a similar setup? Do you guys just do straight mulch blades? What is your practice when you are going to mulch those leaves? Drop a comment down below. If you did enjoy this video, got value out of it, do me a favor, give it a big thumbs up, and guys, make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit that bell so that you get a notification every time I drop a video. Guys, as always, remember, do what you love what you do, but never stop. Guys, we will see you in the next one.